Alright guys, here's the next device. So you can see it's kind of got a weird design. It's got this giant octagon of a grill. You can kind of see there's a giant opening as well. There's the side. It's a speaker, evidently. Evidently, it's a multi-tap speaker as well. You got 25 volt and 70 volt between 1/4 and 2 watts. The circuit board's designed by Wallbond. Useless information there. And there's 5 ports here, or 5 terminals. 2 audio, 1 S minus, 1 S plus, and a ground. I'll explain what the S ones are for here in a minute. Now this is a Space Age Electronics model TVMAA speaker. A 25 to 70 volt multi-tap cone speaker. This thing's very weird though. Like, very weird. So the way that you wire up the speaker to your audio line is obviously you have to use the ground port, but you don't use both audio ports for just one speaker. You use ground port and this right audio port. If you just use that, the speaker does not put out very much audio. Now, why it does that is beyond me, and it kind of annoys me that it likes to do that. I have a feeling it might be just in the way that the speaker was designed. It's a very, very weird design, if you ask me. I kind of like it, but then again, I don't, just because of the way you have to wire it up. And I'll show you in the test video of this how I have to wire it up in order to make it put out an appropriate level of sound. So yeah, ground. And this one would be like an audio in, and this one would be audio out, probably to the next speaker. It's just weird. I'll just leave it at that. Now, the cool thing about this device involves the those terminals that are marked S. That would be where this would come in. If you remember, this is my Space Age VA4 horn strobe. The horn up here that has the missing terminals. So, what you can do is you can disconnect those 2 little strobe leads. Stick the speaker on there. I just gotta try and remember which one's which. I think it's H5 here. And then H4 is negative. And boom, this has just become a speaker strobe. It's a very nice little thing. Yeah, that's about the only nice thing about it, is that it's modular. You can put it on the VA4 series strobe. Leave it at that. Other than that, it's just a very, very weird speaker, and I'm not really a big fan of it. So we'll go ahead and get out some power supplies and an amplifier, and we'll go ahead and test out this and the MCCO device.